Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Plantion, Plant Identifier, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Plantion is an AI-powered plant identification app designed to help nature enthusiasts, gardeners, and students instantly recognize plants, flowers, trees, and other vegetation using their smartphone camera or uploaded images. The app provides detailed information on plant species, care tips, growth conditions, and pest and disease identification. It also features personalized garden tracking and care reminders to support plant health and maintenance. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Plantion's accurate and fast identification capabilities and the rich database that offers comprehensive plant information. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to navigate and understand plant details. The plant care reminders and pest diagnosis tools add great value for those looking to maintain healthy plants. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that identification accuracy can vary with rare or hybrid species, and AI-based results sometimes need manual verification. Advanced features and unlimited access require a subscription, which might be a barrier for casual users. Also, occasional bugs or slow loading times have been reported. In summary, the Plantion app may be worth using if you want a quick, informative, and user-friendly tool to identify and care for plants, especially if you enjoy gardening or learning about nature. However, if you need highly precise identification or free unlimited use, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.